Hi, I just arrived here in the Chicago airport and I just checked in myself at the Hilton, and this is actually inside the airport. It's 9 p.m. right now. I didn't feel like riding a shuttle. I just want to go check in and straight to my room, and here I am. My best friend is arriving at 11 p.m. She probably doesn't want to be bothered and ride the shuttle too. So in this video, we're gonna check out this room. I'm in room 8038 and we're gonna have a view of the runway. So let's go in. Hi, so when you walk in, to your right is a full-size mirror and to your left is the bathroom. Let's go check out the bathroom right now. The bathroom is kind of small, but this is an airport hotel, so don't expect much. So they have these toiletries right now, and they have verbena and lavender scented toiletries. They're pretty complete, and I'm gonna try to smell them if it's good. Oh my gosh, this is a keeper. This is probably the shiniest faucet I've ever seen. I can see my reflection right here. Their bathtub is kind of tiny, but I won't use this tonight, although I'm tempted. This is the cabinet. It's pretty small, but it can fit a lot of clothes. I just showered and that really feels good. And now let's check out the whole room. This is the bed. We got a king-size bed and yeah, a perfect bed to roll over. On the other side, we have the basics, the amenities of this room. We have Keurig, of course, and there's a microwave, there's an ice bucket, there's a refrigerator here, a flat TV, and over at the far end is your business table. It's pretty good because it's in this L shape, which gives you more space. There's also a menu where you can order room service. The price is not that bad. There's no complimentary water. I asked for the complimentary water and they said that this room didn't have complimentary water, although the faucet is free and is okay for human consumption. Nonetheless, there's water at the lobby. I also like this side chair over here where I could relax and watch a movie later on, or maybe read something. I'm just a little bit sad that I cannot stretch this out so I could have like a side lying chair. My bad, I actually can. And now let's check out the runway view. So that's it. That's Hilton Chicago O'Hare Airport for you. Check out Chicago next time on this channel. See you next time, and off I go.